Let's get indoors. Or in a cave. Anywhere, just out of this.
The Eye of Talos was a fine ship once. Now it lies wrecked off an island just north. Of here.
Then it's true, what everyone is saying. That Aventus Aretino is doing the Black Sacrament. Do you know my father? His name is Torsten. He told me but I don't want to be a sailor or a farmer. I want to be a warrior. Strongest one. Fine, then I'll invite him out to play. He lives right there. I'm going to knock on his door.
Why won't you answer me?
Ha, then I'm right. I knew it. He's trying to have somebody killed.
Sweet mother, send your child unto me, for the sins of the unworthy must be baptized in blood and fear. Sweet mother, sweet... Finally! It worked! I knew you'd come. I just knew it! I did the Black Sacrament over and over with the body and the things. And then you came, an assassin. You don't have to say anything. There's no need. You're here, so I know you'll accept my contract. My mother, she died. I'm all alone now. So they sent me to that terrible orphanage. The headmistress is an evil, cruel woman. They call her Grella the Kind. But she's not kind. She's terrible to all of us. So I ran away and came home and performed the Black Sacrament. Now you're here, and you could kill Grella the Kind.
We've driven the Imperials out of Whiterun. This is good. Very good. We now control the center. It's a powerful position. One I aim to keep. We'll call you Ice Veins now. For the thick blood of our land has seeped into your heart. Here, take this. It's an Imperial officer's sword. A fitting weapon to use against our enemy. I suspect you'll be of greater use to us with greater freedom. But I also want you to find our hidden camp in Falkreath. Galmar will have special tasks for you, and will need you when we liberate the capital. For Skyrim!
I said, mortal fool. You are not welcome.
I'll have your head! You can't... This!
Teamwork right there. This place makes me a little uneasy.
Those who shirk their duties will get an extra beating. Do I make myself clear?
Someone has killed Grillin!
Roland is dead! Aventus did it!
Those fools are actually fighting!
I cannot best you! I'm going to...
Well, Growlhub the Kind. Is she, you know... Aha! I knew you could do it. I just knew it. I knew the Dark Brotherhood would save me. When I grow up, I'm going to be an assassin. That way I can help lots of children, just like you.
Sleep well? Does it matter? You're warm, dry, and still very much alive. That's more than can be said for old Grelod, Half of Skyrim knows. Old hag gets butchered in her own orphanage. Things like that tend to get around. Oh, but don't misunderstand. I'm not criticizing. It was a good kill. Old Crone had it coming. And you saved a group of urchins to boot. But there is a slight, problem. You see, that little Aretino boy was looking for the Dark Brotherhood. For me and my associates. Grelod the Kind was, by all rights, a Dark Brotherhood contract. A kill that you stole. A kill you must repay. Well now, funny you should ask. If you turn around, you'll notice my guests. I've collected them from, well, that's not really important. The here and now. That's what matters. You see, there's a contract out on one of them, and that person can't leave this room alive. But, oh, which one? Go on, see if you can figure it out. Make your choice. Make your kill. I just want to observe and admire. See, I knew we could resolve this civilly. A debt owed must be repaid. You understand that. Well, get to it then. Pick your guest and send the poor fool to the void. I'll give you the key to this shack and you'll be on your way.
Excuse me. What kind of question is that? I'm kneeling here with my hands bound and a sack over my head, and you have the gall to ask me that? What do you think, genius? None of your damn business who I am. Esmara is my witness. If I didn't have this hood on right now, I would sit right in...
Ah, the feisty good wife. Quite the mouth on her. Someone must have wanted her dead. Right? Indeed. For you, my friend, seem to understand what's truly important. When I give an order to spill blood, you follow it. No questions, no remorse. Of course. And you've repaid your debt in full. Here's the key to the shack. I would like to officially extend to you an invitation to join my family, the Dark Brotherhood. In the southwest reaches of Skyrim, in the Pine Forest, you'll find the entrance to our sanctuary. When questioned by the Black Door, answer with the correct passphrase, "Silence, my brother." I'll see you at home.
I sense a presence.
so bright out here. I don't know how you stand it.
I've been looking for you. Got something I'm supposed to deliver. Your hands only. Let's see here. There's a new lady in charge of the orphanage in Riften. She asked me to hand out... Looks like that's it. Got to go.
Yes? Oh, you're off on your own for a while? All right.
Who dares disturb?
Bet they're scared of that.
Ah, at last. I hope you found the place all right. Well, what happens now is you start your new life in the Dark Brotherhood. You're part of the family, after all. This, as you can see, is our sanctuary. You won't find a safer place in all of Skyrim. So get comfortable. Our family, my dearest. Our family. Together, united as one, the Dark Brotherhood can accomplish anything. But you must be anxious to get to work. I'm arranging a job, but need a bit more time. For now, go see. Soon, the Night Mother will arrive. Ah, but one last thing. A welcome home present. The armor of the Dark Brotherhood. May it serve you well in all your endeavors. Be sure and introduce yourself to your new family members.
Again. Do the part where he tries to buy you some candy.
So you're the newest member of our dwindling, dysfunctional little family. I've heard quite a bit about you.
So, is it true?
Save the niceties for now. I have no intention of getting invested in someone who may be dead tomorrow. If you're still breathing in a few weeks, I'm sure we'll be the best of friends. Did she now? Well, as it turns out, there are a few lingering contracts we haven't had the chance to complete just yet. And more, dribbling in from time to time. I'll assign them to you as they become available, to be completed. It is. These aren't particularly glamorous assassinations, I'll be honest. Don't pay much either. But they'll keep you. You can turn each one in as it's completed, or wait and turn in the whole group when all the targets have been eliminated. Whichever works for you. I'll teach you how to use it effectively, and keep you quick on your feet. You've got people to kill, my friend. Best get to it. It's all thanks to a special technique I call it the radio butterfly. But then I'd have to kill you. Need something? Well then, let's get started. Your targets are the beggar Narfi, an ex-miller named Enodius Papias, and Baytild, a mine boss. When you've completed all those, we'll see if I might have some more. Good luck, and try not to get yourself killed.
I sense a presence. What do you think? Never.
Keep at it. I'm really not in the mood. State your business or take your leave.
Drafted into a war. How could my life get worse?
And let me guess, that someone is my so-called husband, leg elf? Well, the
Someone's being attacked!
fools are actually fighting.
Damn you!
Wood!
Night Mother is mother to all. It is her voice we follow. Her will.
Haven't you talked to Astrid? She's by the pool greeting the Night Mother and her little jester. She has a contract for you. Come see me afterward. Who's there? Now you're mine.
All over now. Careful with that fire.
Haven't you talked to Astrid? She's by the pool greeting the Night Mother and her little jester. She has a contract for you. Come see me afterward.
Secret. And then have the whole thing blamed on the mother. Me? Remarkable part of the Dark Brotherhood from the day.
Ah, there you are. Good. I was done speaking with that muttering fool anyway. We've got some business to discuss. I do indeed. You must go to the city of Markarth and speak with the apothecary's assistant. You'll probably find her in the Hag's Cure when the shop is open. The girl's been running her mouth. Wants an ex-lover killed. She's apparently performed the Black Sacrament. Her name is Muiri. I need you to talk to her, set up the contract, and carry it out. Just do whatever the contact wishes. Be professional, represent her. Since it's your first contract, I'll let you keep whatever Muiri pays. She'll be generous, I'm sure. They always are.
Good. And I hope you were careful in that lumber mill. Your payment for a job well done. Of course she is. I hear the mining business is extremely cutthroat. I could do this all day. Here's your payment. Congratulations. You slaughtered an emaciated beggar in cold blood. You are truly an opponent to be feared. Here's your payment. I'm sorry I don't. Come see me again later.
I heard about what happened.
Word certainly travels fast, doesn't it?
I'm just trying to imagine you hiding in the body of a mammoth.
Need something?